How large of a sample must be taken in order to estimate the mean age of the books in a library to within 2 months with 95% confidence if the standard deviation of the ages is thought to be about 60 months? Is your answer going to be A, 3,458 books, B, 2,436 books, C, 1,545 books, D, 60 books, or E, none of these? Off to the right, over here, is finding the sample size required to estimate a population mean, which is what we're doing in problem 57. The objective is determining how large of a sample should be. We're trying to figure out how many books. The notation, I've shown you what mu, sigma, x bar, the E, the Z, alpha divided by 2, what all of that means. And then the requirements, the sample must be a simple random sample, which it is. And then here is the formula. So now that we have all of that information, let's go back to the problem and see what the problem tells us. What information is in the problem for us? Okay. Well, it tells us that our E is 2 months because it wants everything within 2 months. It tells us that the standard deviation is about 60 months. And it also tells us 95% confidence. So with that known, let's write that over here off to the side because we will want to refer to that information. We said E, which is our desired margin of error, equaled 2 months. We wanted to know within 2 months. We said the population standard deviation was about 60 months. So 60 months. We said the confidence was 95%. And because the confidence is 95%, we know then the alpha is 0.05. And then it's given us the formula over here to the right. That formula we can use inverse norm, so that formula is also going to be equaling inverse norm. Let me make that a straight line because it will be easier to look at. Okay. Inverse norm there we go. Minus 0.025 times our 60 divided by 2. Then we need that answer squared. So let's look at how to do this on the calculator. I'm going to use the TI-84. So let's bring up the calculator, turn it on. We're going to go to second, vars, arrow down to inverse norm. We said our alpha was 0.05. Remember though, we need to divide that by 2. Our mu is going to be 0. It said that our standard deviation was 60. That's our population standard deviation. Let's arrow down, enter, enter again. That's only the first part of our answer. That's this top part of our answer right here. We now need to divide by E. Margin of error. Let's see. Yes. So we're going to divide that by 2. So we're going to go second, answer, divided by 2, and we're going to hit enter. Now we have to square that answer. So again, we're going to do second, answer, squared, enter, 3,457.3. Well, we can't have 0.3 of a book, so we need to round up. So that's 3,458. So our answer here would be A, 3,458. The correct answer is A. 3,458 books.